celebration for good fortune hit both coasts, with star-studded premieres in New York and Los Angeles. This brand new comedy, written and directed by Aziz Ansari, is already generating serious buzz. The film, which stars Seth Rogen and Keanu Reeves, uses humor and heart to explore privilege, perspective, and what really matters.
Can you keep a secret? I'm an angel. See the wings? And I switched Artist's life with Jeff's life.
Switch back, or this angel man will send you to hell forever. Smite him!
That's actually not my department.
The cast, including Keanu Reeves, hit the red carpet to debut the film.
It was just fun. I mean, I was working with masters, with Aziz and Seth, and Keke Palmer's amazing, and Sandra is fantastic. So I was just really in great company, and we had a wonderful script to work with, and Aziz is a great director.
Writer-director Aziz Ansari was on hand to present his most personal project yet.
I remember going to movies like Anchorman, 40-Year-Old Virgin, and Superbad, and Pineapple Express, and all these movies, and laughing with the crowd, and I think it's something we haven't had in a while, and I've been there with the crowds we've screened it for so far, and they're going crazy, and our reviews have been great, and I feel like it's a fun night out, and we can't forget about the movies.
Seth Rogen brought his signature presence to the premiere.
I thought the script was great. I thought the story was something I thought was very timely, and I'd been talking to Aziz about it for years by the time we made it, like when he first thought of the idea. It was based similar to an idea I think he pitched me literally like 15 years ago or something like that. So it's something that's been kicking around for a long time. Yeah.
Rounding out the powerful cast were Keke Palmer and Sandra Oh.
It's kind of hard to describe it because it's so unique and specific in its own way. However, the tone and the notes are similar to like It's a Wonderful Life, maybe met with a little bit of like Bruce Almighty. Like it has some of that like humorous but like weighted sentiment. You're up here in this huge house. I'm fighting just to get by.
And the opportunity, honestly, to play an angel. I thought it was going to be fun. Yeah, I thought it was going to be fun. To be able to enjoy scenes with Keanu.
Why did you do this?
I tried to show him that wealth wouldn't solve all his problems.
And?
It seems to have solved most of his problems.
Following a successful premiere run, Good Fortune, a sweet and timely comedy with a big heart, is now playing in theaters.
Could you fly?
My wings are too small.
Not the size of the wing.
Actually, it is.
Oh, that's too bad.